So since we have started opening a file for any kind of operations, we always found that the file object is always placed at the beginning of the file. And from there, either you open the file in read mode or you want to open the file in write mode. So we always find the file object pointer is at the beginning of the file. But sometime you want to place your file object at a particular location within the file. From there you want to add some new content or you want to read content from that point onwards. So random access will allow you to read from or write to a file for any position. So rather than sequentially from beginning to end, which we normally do. Now, this is useful in applications like databases or file-based data structures where you require a direct access to a specific data rather than starting from the beginning of the entire database. Now, there are two methods which are comes into useful in case of your random access. One is your seek method. So, seek method is going to be use along with the file object. This is nothing but the file object through which you have opened the particular file, maybe in a read mode or maybe in write mode. And this offset is nothing but going to be an integer value. And this is going to specify how many bytes or how many positions from the beginning it has to shift. And if I start putting indices for each of the characters present within a file, so the first character index will be at 0. So if in case I am writing here 4, I mean from 0 index, you count 4, which means you are going to get into the character whose index is your 5. Okay. Now, tell function is the one which is going to be used whenever you want to know at what index or what byte position your file object is currently available. So at any point of time you want to refer what is the current position where the file object is placed, that you can confirm by using this tell function. Now let's see an example here. Let's say we have used the with open some sample.txt. This is the file that we have opened, and let's say we are trying to open this in a writing mode. And whenever I'm writing, let's say I'm writing this message, hello world, this is a Python file writing. So by end of this, what has happened is our content is written into this particular file. Okay. So now later on, I'm not closing it. I'm just opening the file once again here because my write operation is done here. Now I'm opening the same file, but this time when I'm opening the file sample.txt, I'm using the read mode. And now what we have done, because this f is the file object, so through that file object, we have called the function that is your seek. And here I am writing 13. So the meaning of this 13 is nothing but it's going to move 13 characters from the beginning. So as the file has opened, it was this content which has starting with h whose index is actually 0. Now from 0 I wanted to shift 13 characters. So which means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is the character where the file object will be placed. So now when I'm going to check what is the current position where the file object is placed, as we know we can take the help of tell. So this is going to give me the current index position of that particular character. So because it has started from 0, so this one is nothing but having an index 13. So which I can otherwise say nothing but the 14th character because it starts with 0. So this 13th index character is nothing but the 14th character in the sequence. Now once I have moved the pointer or my object, so now I am calling the read function. And here I am writing 6, which means I want to read how many characters? 6 characters. But what position? From the current position. But with the help of this seek, what we have done, we have already placed our file pointer at the 14th character. So from this 14th character, I am supposed to read next 6 characters. That means THIS space IS. So these 6 characters I can read from that point onwards. Now let's see this example here. So we have tried to open this sample.txt in write mode, and we have used the write method to write this entire content into this particular file. Because I'm using with keyword, hence I'm not required to close the file. So what we have done next is we have started one more with keyword, which means by default by the end of this with block the file has been closed, and we are trying to open the file once again. Now this time we are opening the same file, but this time it is being opened in the read mode. Now with the help of this f.seek of 13, so we have placed the file object at this particular character, that is your T. So when I'm going to check what is the current position where the file object is there, so the index of this T has been written, which is nothing but your 13. So this is going to give me 13. Whereas from there, I'm going to read 6 characters, including this. I mean T, H, 2, this is 3, 4, 5 is a space 1, and 6 is nothing but your I. So this is going to give us THIS followed by I. This is the output that I'm going to get out of this read of 6. So let's check once. So we can see we are getting current position is 13 because we have placed the file pointer at after 13 character. I mean the 14th character where this position is, whose index is 13. Now from there we are trying to read 6 characters. This is 4 space and this I including all. It is nothing but 6 characters.